In this video, we present a magnificent architectural masterpiece situated in Rockies Bay on Waiheke Island. The house consists of 5 20-foot containers and 2 10-foot containers that descend down a steep slope into the surrounding bush. The first container serves as the basement workshop, while the second and the third containers have been connected to form the master bedroom and the ensuite bathroom respectively. A significant feature of the house is the extensive decking, offering outdoor living spaces that further enhance the views. Upon entering the house through the front door, guests are welcomed in an open concept living area that is perfect for entertaining. The interior of the house is finished to high quality standards and features laws of natural light and low maintenance features. The sun-soaked living area faces the magnificent view and is furnished with a large comfortable couch, a custom coffee table, a smart TV for entertainment, and a lovely easy chair that adds a contemporary flair to the lounge area. The living area also features sliding glass doors that open onto the large outdoor deck with panoramic views of the valley. The clerestory windows and the skylights sprinkled across the ceiling allow for maximum daylighting and a good airflow for natural ventilation. The dining area is adjacent to the living space and features a round-shaped table that can seat 4, providing intimacy and satisfying solution to seat a small number of people. The modern kitchen, fully furnished with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and ample storage cabinets, is located off the dining area and sits within a container that opens to the living space. The interior design celebrates the industrial language of the shipping container finishes, with some parts of the container walls left in their raw state. The black and white aesthetic of the house provides supportive backdrop to the Scandinavian-style timber and strong contrast to the soft greens on the outside. The private spaces of the house are located downstairs and are formed from 3 containers. The guest bedroom is located in 1 container, while the other 2 containers combine to house the guest bathroom and the master ensuite. The master bedroom features a comfortable queen bed with ample pillows for a good night's rest. There is a closet and a large window for maximum daylighting. The master ensuite includes a toilet, a vanity with enough storage cabinets, and a fully tiled shower cubicle with a rainfall shower head. The guest bedroom also features a comfy queen bed, a closet, and a large window for ventilation. The exterior of the house is a mix of cedar cladding and exposed steel, with the grooves of the raw shipping container walls visible on the outside, showcasing the industrial charm of the house. The terrace is a perfect spot to fully appreciate the stunning vistas and provides an equally good atmosphere for gatherings. This amazing house is a perfect retreat for family and friends and is listed as a guest house. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. If you would like us to feature a shipping container project on our YouTube channel, is absolutely free. Feel free to contact us using the official email in the description below. Which part of this shipping container project appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section, and feel free to like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.